Canon's EOS R5 Mark II delivers outstanding image quality with its high-resolution full-frame back illuminated stacked sensor that excels in both detail and dynamic range. The camera's electronic shutter can fire at an extremely rapid burst rate, making it a strong choice for fast action, wildlife, and sports photography. Canon's advanced autofocus system, including intuitive eye control and sticky subject tracking, makes it easy to keep moving subjects sharply in focus, even when they are briefly obstructed. Video shooters benefit from the camera's high-resolution recording options and the ability to capture stills and footage together without breaking the flow of a shoot. The bundled zoom lens covers a versatile, everyday focal range with consistent image quality, making the kit useful for travel, events, and general-purpose work right out of the box. Despite its advanced feature set, the EOS R5 Mark II maintains a familiar, comfortable handling experience with robust construction that feels ready for demanding professional use.